Hey everybody, it's Mike down here at Seacoast Harley-Davidson again. A couple weeks ago, I gave you a quick introduction on these new Ryt-There Shelf sets that we got. I just want to take one out to show it to you a little bit more. What we have here is a shelf kit made for your saddlebags. It is an antimicrobacterial foam that goes in there, so it's not going to get any fungus or anything like that if it gets wet in your bag. It's a peel and stick material. Peel it off, stick it inside your bag. It comes with a shelf unit, a little hard piece. This little piece here actually shows it how it would sit inside of your bag. So you get the shelf in there, you get the foam all around, it protects things from banging around. When you don't need it inside your bag, it pops right out. When you do need it, it pops right back in. A little lock plate. Comes in black, tan, or gray. We can get it for the pre-14 saddlebags. Right now in stock, I have it for 14 and newer. If this is something you might be interested in, looking for a shelf, somewhere to put your wallet, your keys, anything like that while you're riding, come on down and check out the display that we have, or give us a call, we'll give you some more information.